Alright, this is a little different. Train stopped over here because the coupler broke. Downtown Elmhurst, just east of the downtown. That's Proviso. All the way past there. Another mile, you're really in the yard there. So one of the guys that was out here told me, yeah, indeed it was a broken coupler, and this is the Proviso, the North Platte run. And he said something about the power, so I'm going to go up there and take a quick look. So the broken coupler was like way down there. And this is the train with the broken coupler, and behind it is the other train coming out of the yard. Unfortunately, can't see the power down there, so I misunderstood the maintainer I was talking to. He said they had the power was going to move it. Now they came up from behind on that end and they pushed the train forward, and I don't know what they're doing now, how they rig a temporary coupler or anything. I'm going to head back over there in a sec. But it looks like this is one of those events where there's nothing to see here, folks. I'll try to go for another couple clips if I can. Alright, so the power is at the Proviso end of the train. This car is facing east right now. I'm at the Haven-Arlington grade crossing where there's like a zillion people waiting to get across. In a blow to my pride, the woman at the 7-Eleven knew more about this than I did. I'm going to make one more run down the row here and I'm going to see what's going on. The maintainers are still over there. So they had this guy walking the track, and I don't know if he was looking for coupler pieces or what. I'd be interested in knowing how they chained the rolling stock together to do all this. Alright, so here's the end of the train here. They got the device at the end. That's on there. A little clicker counter lighty thingy. The date, by the way, is January 10th, so this is the, I guess, what, PRNP10 train. Proviso North Platte, January 10. So sorry that there's not much more to see. I've crossed Poplar Avenue. I'm getting to the far east end of Elmhurst, and this is about as far as you're going to see here. The train is entering the yard. They get to deal with it, and maybe they'll pop it out later.